Now I am going to speak to you about the holy life and the blissful life and so forth. You know, in the past, crown princes and sons of noble families have gone forth from home into homelessness, having known and seen and heard these four thought-provoking sayings of the supremely enlightened Buddha. First is Upaniyati Loko Adho, that means the world of human beings is getting gradually nearer and nearer to decay and death. As such, all life is insecure, a passing scene. Second, Attano Loko Anabhittaro. The world of human beings is subject to decay, disease and death. This is the inevitable fate of every living being, whether high or low, rich or poor. The nature of life, decay, disease and death, these are beyond our control. We cannot escape the 3 Ds. As such, we are anabhittaro, helpless. Third, Attako Loko Sabbram Sahaya Gamaniya. You must memorize all these Pali sayings. Attako Loko Sabbram Sahaya Gamaniya. We own nothing. We have to wish goodbye to all our kith and kin. We have to go leaving behind everybody and everything, our material possessions and all our near and dear ones. You know, even all pomp and glory that leads but to the grave. As such, we must lead very high, noble life and leave provision for the world beyond. Now, the fourth is Puno Loko Atitto Tanha Dhatu. The world of human beings is ever in want, all the time grumbling, craving for this and that, never contented with what one gets or with what one possesses, all the time a slave to craving, Tanha Dhatu. Now, I am going to recite some stanzas that you should memorize gradually. Passami loke sadhani manusse ladhana visnitam dadanti moha luddha dhanam sanchayam karonti Yuvakami Adhipatthayanti. That means, the meaning, I see men of wealth in the world acquiring much property. From delusion they give not away. Out of greed, a hoard of wealth they make, and hanker sorely after more than pleasures. Raja Pasaiha Patavin Vinitva Pasagaram Tam Yavasanto Orang Samudandanta Atipitarupo Parang Samudandanta Tipattayeta. A king, having forcibly conquered the earth, inhabiting a land with the ocean its confines, not satisfied with this side of the sea, hankers after the sea's further side too. Raja Annita Bahu Manussa Avita Tanha Maranam Upinti Unava Utvana Jahan Deham Kani Lokam Vinahati Kiti these. Kings and full men, another man, come to their dying, their cravings not gone, as those that still lack, they put off the body. Yet in the world, yet the world is never satiated with sense pleasure. Andanti nantam, andanti nanyati parikiriyate, aho vatano amarasitahu, vattenam parutam haritva, citam samadhaya satudahanti. Letting down their hair, kinsmen bewail him and say, alas, he is not undying. Bearing him wrapped in a cloak, kindling a fire, they create him there. Sodaihati sule tujjamano, ekena vatntena pahaya bhoge, namiyamanasya bhavanti tāna, nati dhanisinta asvatahaya. Being prodded by stakes, he burns in the one garment, richest got rid of. Not to one who is dying are kinfolk a refuge, any more than our friends or intimate peers. Dayadaka tasya dhanam haranti, sato panagati satiyena kammam, nimiyamanam dhanaman veti kinti, Puttacha dharacha dhanancha ratithani. Heirs carry off his wealth, but the being goes on according to karma. Wealth does not follow him who is dying, no child or wife, no wealth or kingdom. Nadidhamayung labhate dhanena, nachapi vitintena jaram vihanti, appangidam jivitam mahudhira, asasatam viparinama dhammam. Long life is not gained from wealth, nor is old age banished by riches. For brief is this life, the wise say, non-eternal, subjective change. Adhadalindacha pusanti bhaksam, balocha dhirocha sateva putinto, balo ibalya vadhito vateti, dhirocha navedati phassa putinto. Rich and poor feel the touch of death. Fool and wise are touched alike, but the fool, as though struck down by folly, prostrate lies, while the wise, touched by the touch of death, trembles not. Tatmai panyava dhanena seyo, yaevo tanam idhaji gacchati, abhyoti tattari bhava bhavetu, pahari kamma Therefore, better than wealth is wisdom. By this one here secures accomplishment. Not being accomplished in this becoming or in this birth or that, they do evil deeds from delusion. Upeti gambhanta paranta lokam sansarama parinja paramparaya kassappa panyo abhisandhanto upeti gambhanta paranta lokam. He comes through a womb and to another world, being bound to samsara in a successive round. One of little wisdom, having no confidence in his deeds, comes to a womb and to another world. He wanders in samsara. Choro yatha sandhi mukhe dahito sakammana hanyati papa dhammo evam pajapetinca parang diloke sakammana hanyati papa dhammo. As a thief of evil nature, caught in the act of breaking in, is ruined by his own karma, by his own deeds. So the race of human beings of evil nature is hereafter, in the world beyond, in another world, they are ruined by their own karma. Kamahi chitra madhura manorama virupa rupena matinti chitam adinavam kama gunitu jitva tasma ampambaditu miraja. Diverse, sweet, delightful sense pleasures in various ways disturb the mind. Having seen the peril in sense pleasures, I, O Sire, have therefore taken to the formless life of the bhikkhu. Duma phalani va patanti manava dharaja udbhaja sarira bheda etanti disvapam bhajito niraja apanna kanta manyaniva seyoti. As fruits from the tree, so fall men, both young and old, on the breakup of the body. Having seen this proof, I have gone forth, Sire. Better indeed is the straight, noble life of the bhikkhu.